Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Singpass error code 98021. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log into Singpass. Many users have reported encountering this issue without any clear cause on their end. According to our research, this is likely a general server-side or network issue. We first suggest you shut down your device and wait for around 2 to 3 minutes before restarting it. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the Singpass app. If there's a new version, update and try again. If the Singpass app is already up to date, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Once reinstalled, open it and check for the error again. If you still have the error, then it's likely coming from the Singpass system itself. So wait for some time and try again later. If the issue persists, contact Singpass support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.